How to tell stories with your music. Very common mistake that artists and bands do is that when they have a new song, new album, new music video, the only way how they promote it is that they upload it on YouTube. They take the link, they post it on Facebook and say, "Hey, we just released a new song, check it out," and that's it. So why should anyone then just the biggest, absolutely the most loyal fan actually click on this? You should create mystery, you should create expectation around your music. The song, I'm sure the song has some kind of story that you should tell the fans about. The music video is definitely have some kind of point of view that you wanted to share with the music. That's why you choose to make a music video, right? Storytelling is one of the most common ways how people communicate with each other. Usually, when you're out with your friends, you are sharing stories. And some stories, we remember them for thousands of years. Like, remember Achilles and Trojan War, right? I'm sure that if you put so much effort into writing and recording the song and creating a music video, that you have a story to tell. Perhaps this is something that you experience and you think people will relate to it. So you should definitely say what is the story, how did you come up with the idea for the song, how was it when you were recording it? Perhaps you have some funny stories around it. So this should not be actually very very challenging for you because this is something that is very dear for you. It's a new song. That's something that you put a lot of time into it. So I'm sure you can create at least 5 interesting stories that you would share next time when you release this music video. If you want to hear more tips about music marketing and management, don't forget to follow us.